Hello, good day. Today we are still looking at simple addition. We're looking at addition of numbers not greater than 9. That's what we did in our previous class. We're doing the same today. And the previous class we added on a straight line like this. Now we add it on a straight line like this. It does not change the rule. You still have to count. 6 plus 2, you have to count what? 6, then you count 2, then add them together. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you count 2, 1, 2. So let's count together. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you now write down your 8. Here you have 1 plus 5, so you count 1. Here you have 5, so you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then write down your 6. 3 plus 4, so you have to count what? 3 first. So let's count 3. 1, 2, 3. Then you count your 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then put down your 7. So we've come to the end of this class. So I'll put up your assignment for you to do. Please ensure you do your assignment. Submit to your school or to somebody elderly at home. Thanks for viewing.